This diagram shows two circles of diameters 10 cm and 16 cm touching externally at point T. The two circles are fitted into a rectangle of sides 18 cm and x cm. Calculate x, and hence the area of the rectangle. Note that this diagram is not drawn to scale. Let's go ahead and solve. First let's call the centers of the two circles O and Q, and the vertices of the rectangle A, B, C, and D. Next we draw a straight line from point O to point Q. Going further, we draw perpendicular lines from point O and Q to touch the base of the rectangle. Let's call these points of intersection E and F. Let's also draw another perpendicular lines from point O and Q to touch the side of the rectangle. Let's call these points of intersection H, I, and G. From the diagram, notice that AE equals to the radius of the small circle, that is 10/2, which is 5 cm, and BF equals the radius of the big circle, that is 16/2, which is 8 cm. Since AB is 18 cm, EF equals 18 minus 5 plus 8, which equals 5 cm. OQ equals 5 plus 8, which is 13 cm. Reason, external touching, which is the sum of the radius of the two circles. GQ equals EF, which is 5 cm. Since triangle GOQ is a right-angled triangle, we are going to use Pythagoras rule to find GO. From Pythagoras rule, OQ square equals GQ square plus GO square. Next we plug in the value of OQ and GQ in this formula. Doing so will give us 13 square equals 5 square plus GO square. 13 square is 169, and 5 square is 25, which follows that 169 is equal to 25 plus GO square. To find GO, we take 25 to the right side, 25 going to the right will become negative. It follows that 169 minus 25 equals GO square. 169 minus 25 is equal to 144, so 144 equals GO square. Taking the square root of both sides will give us GO equals square root of 144, which is 12 centimeters. To find x equals DI plus HI plus AH. Reason. Opposite sides of a rectangle. DI equals the radius of the small circle, that is 5 centimeters, HI equals to GO, that is 12 centimeters, and AH equals the radius of the big circle, which is 8 centimeters. Substituting these values will give us x equals 5 plus 12 plus 8, which equals 25 centimeters. To find the area of the area of rectangle is given by length times breadth. The length of the rectangle is 25 centimeters, and the breadth, 18 centimeters. Substituting these values in this formula will give us area equals 25 times 18, which is 450 centimeters square. Please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.